Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. Y'all know who it is. It's me. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Gracious Almighty, I hope everybody's having a wonderful Monday. And again, it's the start to the new work week. But you know what? The judge done sent me something in the mail, y'all. So give me a second. I'm going to show you that. And I'm going to show you what I done did over the weekend that I didn't show you on the spring planting in the raised beds. All right, you and y'all, let me show you. Lord of mercy, got something. It was sitting right here on this mule when I got home. I opened it up, but this is from the judge, none other than Mr. CB himself from CB's Greenhouse and Garden. Look at him. Uh-oh. Let's see, I'm gonna read this like I customarily do. Mail call. This package makes it official for the 2018 Tomato Challenge. You got that right, brother. Wishing both of you the best of luck. We have added a little surprise gift. I hope you enjoy the gift. Take care, CB, Renee, and Tabitha. Look at there, y'all. The secret anonymous seeds. Ooh-wee. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, gracious almighty. Heck to the yeah. Miss Renee's pepper jelly. World famous pepper jelly, I might add. I'm gonna have to put that in the fridge quick like. Miss Renee, Mr. CB, thank you for the pepper jelly. Really appreciate it. I know it's gonna be good because Miss Renee made it. It's on like a chicken bone now, brother. Right here. Probably gonna work on getting those seeds going tomorrow as soon as I get home from work. But yeah, let's go take a walk over to the raised beds over yonder, and I'm gonna show you what I done did over there. What I done did was, in this, y'all saw me plant out the Creole Maters and the Early Girl. I just went ahead and mulched it in really good. Hopefully the marigolds will pop through the mulch. That's cool. And I actually put in some peppers. Had one that went 10-7, didn't make it right there. I don't know what his deal was. But I put in, these are cayennes. 4 cayenne peppers and 3 Tabascos, and here's my big Bertha. Now, somebody's probably going to ask, dang Dan, you want those peppers close to your maters? Well, believe it or not, I planted it this way last year. Peppers in front of the maters never really had any problems. To be honest with you, if some of those peppers cross-pollinated with some of those maters and made them kind of like a semi-hot mater, I wouldn't be mad about that neither. But never had any problems with that. I put out some ambrosia cantaloupes here, one here, and one over there, with the hopes that when these guys grow up, I can hook them onto this trellis right here, and they'll grow up and I'll have melons hanging down, hopefully. That's the thinking on that. Over here in this 4x8 bed, or 3x8 bed, I set out 2 Roma tomatoes. They're looking okay. I'm kind of thinking they went into a little bit of shock, but I'll probably give them some water here this evening. I actually went back and forth with Rob, the Sapa gardener, and asked him how he did his Malabar spinach, and he does his by seed, and he puts them out, you know, whenever the time comes. And I think I screwed up on the Malabar spinach. I should have waited till it's like sure enough hot over here in East Central Mississippi, and it sure enough gets hot. And I think I planted the Malabar out too early. That's why I lost one. So chalk that one up to, you didn't know, you should have done more research. But it'll be okay. I have some more Malabar spinach. Hopefully that'll germinate in the shack. So we're gonna rock and roll from there. Oh, something else. Here's that Myers lemon. Look at there. It's got a little flower on it. Never thought that this thing would have flowered, being that it's a juvenile dwarf Myers lemon plant. Or tree. Oh, I wanted to show y'all what I done did. As far as what I planted out over the weekend, I just wanted to show you the stuff that I couldn't show you because I was just running like crazy over the weekend trying to get stuff planted. So there you have it. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look now, because I'm like always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know what's coming. Old Dan's always gonna say it. And this one's gonna go out to Andy. over there at Andy's Backyard and Shop. Don't let nobody dull your shine, brother. I mean, nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. You got plenty of it. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.